Is she eating it? What is it? Get it, get it. It's just looking at me. Ooh. Sniffles, I dare you to get it. Get it, get it. Sniffles, attack! Attacks! You got to send this to Mom. Do it, Sniffles. Yes, got it, Sniffles. Oh. Get it, Sniffles. Get it. I swear to God, you're not going to get it. Go. Get it, Sniffles. No, you don't bite my Sniffles. Hit it. Look at Sniffles. Do it, Sniffles. We'll leave it on the head so she can eat it. She's not eating it. Get it! Get it! Get it! Get it! Stop! Oh, got him, girl! Yeah. Sniffles! Yeah, Sniffles! Hey, Sniffles! See? She's scared because it's going to bite her. There's my stick! Stick! Go free! Eat it, Sniffles. I dare you to eat it right now. No, just kill it. But you just smush the head. Got it, Sniffles. I kind of feel bad because it's breathing so hard. I don't. I have no idea where's the burn. Yay, Sniffles! You got to send this to TikTok, Mom. Don't touch it. Oh my God! Oh my God! Sniffles, you saved us! Oh. Sniffles, stay! Sniffles! No! Oh my God! Sniffles, come here! Oh my God, she's right there! Here, give me the camera. You do it. Okay? Where's Sniffles? I need to go to. Where is she? Oh, there she is. Over there. Alright, I'm gonna go talk to Dad. Sniffles? What are you doing? Sniffles? No, my screen is getting fuzzy. Get it, Sniffles. Sniffles. Get it. Serena, the lizard was biting her hand and it was stuck on her hand, but she got it off. Oh my God. It's time to end the video. No, I want to watch it. Okay, this is being online. Bye guys. Thank you for watching this video. Hit that notification bell. Give us a huge thumbs up. and see you later.